Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Sewing Made Easy. In today's tutorial we're making a kimono butterfly jacket, and for this tutorial we'll be needing a ruler, a tape rule, a tailor's chalk, a pair of scissors, and 5 to 6 yards of Ankara. So right now, let us dive into the full tutorial by folding the fabric first. So I've gone ahead to fold the fabric, and I folded it into 4 parts in this manner. Before we continue, I would like to say the basic measurements needed for this style are your armhole depth, your hip circumference, and the length of the jacket. So right now, we'll go ahead and take the neck measurement. I'll be making use of a neck measurement of 3 inches like this. I'll indicate it. This 3 inches is the width of the neck, and for the back neck, which is this, I'll come down by 1. I'll come down by 1. Take my ruler, there's no need, and I'll make a slight curve in this manner. This is for the back neck, so we'll leave this for now. Now I'll take the armhole depth at this place. I'll be making use of 10 inches. This is it, and I'll get my chalk and indicate the 10 inches. Remember I said we'll be using the hip circumference. So the person's hip circumference is 40. 40 divided by 4, that is 10. So I will indicate the 10 here, plus an allowance of, you can make use of 4 inches, you can make use of 3 inches. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using 4 inches, and I will indicate. So right now you will now see that we have a total of 14 here. This is the 14. I will also indicate that 14 on this part this way. And I'll connect them. You remember, this is our armhole depth of how many inches? 10 inches. So this is it. This is our armhole depth here. So I'll come now, place the 14 inches, which is the round hip measurement, divided by 4 plus 4 inches allowance, and I will indicate it here. And I will connect it. Right now, I'll take the length on this line. I'll take the length of the jacket. I'll be making use of length 45. This is the length plus 2 inches hemming allowance, and I will mark. So I'll come this way, do the same. 45 plus 2, making 47. Get my ruler and connect them. So, you know, this is the back neck measurement. Now, I want to take the front measurement. On this part, I will come down by 9 inches. In this manner, let me move it so you'll be able to see it clearly. 9 inches. You can decide to use 8, 9 or 10. It all depends on you, but I'll be making use, or let me say, okay, let me make use of 10. I'll come down by 10 inches this way. Go in by 1 this way. Get my ruler and connect it to this neck width of 3, like this. This part first, like this. Remember, this is the back measurement, while this is the front. When we are done with this front part, I'll show you how to open it up properly. So now, this one that is here, you take it down here, here as well. Here, all the way down. Place your ruler in this manner. That is it. So this is for the back, and this is for the front. This front part will be having a band. So right now, I'll show you how the proper way to cut open this part. And if you also remember, this style has no shoulder slope. You can see they're all together. So now, first of all, you get your scissors and open up the neck part first in this manner. See, this is now the back measurement, and you notch. So I'll open it up now. This is now the front part, and this is now the back part. Front, back. So right now I will cut out this part so that I'll be able to attach the front band. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to cut out the front part, leaving the back part intact. This is the back part, this is the front part, looking like this. So right now I'll cut out the length of the jacket. I should have done that before cutting out this front part, but it's never too late. So I'll do that right now. So this is for the jacket. So I'll go over to the sewing machine now, and I'll add this, and I'll stitch this part up, this part, and also that of this side. I will come back and show it to you. Then I'll also be adding 2 pockets to this part of the jacket, to this front part of the jacket. So I will also cut that and also show you, and the front band as well. So I've gone ahead to cut the front pocket using a measurement of 12 inches by 13. This is the casing for the pocket. It's a measurement of 12 inches by 4 inches, and it will be unfold like this. I'm going to fold it into 2, looking like this. So this is the front pocket of the jacket. Then I've also gone ahead to cut a band for the front part. This is a band of 3 inches unfold and a length of 105, which is the total length of the front, opening of the jacket. So right now we'll go over to the sewing machine. I'll join everything, and when I'm done I'll show it to you.